We are getting ready to take off on another RV road trip across country. If you followed our channel, you saw some of last year's Route 66 and the other places that we went. Now we're getting ready to take another trip, heading out to California, the northern route from Vermont, and we're super excited for it. Now I wanted to show you guys today some of the stuff that I made changes to on our RV to kind of make things more convenient because of issues last year or whatever, the kind of things that you might learn as you go in an RV to kind of help out. So this is a 2013 Coachman Freelander, and it is a C-Class RV, so I'm going to show you. You can kind of see it. To get this fun sun shield. Yeah, where my wife's very much an Office fan. So we got that sun shield. So we didn't do too much to the outside. We were pretty prepped last year. I do carry my Super 73 e-bike, and this is my bike rack that I use. I'll link some of this stuff below if you're interested in it, but this actually can fit two of those Super 73s. I'll show you my bike real quick. Pardon the garage, it's a disaster, but it's like one of these. So a fat tire e-bike, and it fits on there, and I could actually fit another one, but my wife hasn't jumped in and gotten hers yet. So really nice bike rack. It's very secure, several locking spots. It comes with the spot to lock it on the actual hitch as well, so that it's not just a push pin where somebody could pull that and take the whole thing and then break the bike off later. So yeah, I'll link that below if you guys want to check those out. Anything linked below is also going to be an affiliate link for us, so it does help us out a bit. Oh yeah, last year we got a flat, so this year I made sure our flat's in good repair, and I got a jack, because last year our biggest problem was we didn't have a jack, so we had to call Good Sam and have them come out, and it took almost a full day out of our trip just waiting because we were at the Grand Canyon, and well, the closest one was in like, the closest service person was like over an hour away. I did get a couple of things to help me film while driving. So I do have a new suction cup mount and a strap mount that straps to the actual like mirror so that I can put my GoPro on there. Well, I don't have a GoPro, I actually have a DJI Action 4, and it's awesome. If you want to learn about some of the camera gear I use while I'm filming, go over to my camera channel right here and check it out. A lot of fun stuff there. I'm always talking about budget videography and photography, what have you. I did get this fan because last year, while we were driving, there's no AC for the back. It's just the AC for up here. And pushing it back to the kids is a little bit of a pain. So I got this oscillating fan to hopefully help kind of push some of the upfront AC back to help cool the kids while we're driving. I also upgraded this vent. Used to be just a vent. Now it's a vent fan. So that's nice because now we'll have the fan on the front and the back. And last year it was kind of a cooler season. We went mid-April to mid-May. And now we're going mid-June to mid-July. So it's going to be hotter this year. Kitchen-wise, ours only came with stovetop, hood vent, microwave. I added this so we can make like small pizzas and stuff like that while we're on the go. So I actually had to mount it down because the handle wouldn't clear my light, and I didn't want to have to like move the light down here. I like it being where it is, so I just kind of actually moved the light forward slightly, and I was still able to keep the hole covered that the wires come out. And then I put in some trim up here to pull this down, and it sits just enough up the wall that it's got cooling space. And I feel like with just these 1x4s, it's going to be cool enough around the top. I did fire it up and let a full cycle run through it, and it didn't seem like the cabinet got hot or anything like that. So I think we're good there. Storage. So storage is key. And last year we were just like piling our shoes up on the floor right here when we came in, like in front of the refrigerator. Let me move this. In front of the refrigerator, our shoes would be like this whole area, and then like sometimes piling into the doorway. So I did install these guys here, and this helps out a lot. I'll show you this one. I put one up here also because I don't know if you have an RV that has one of those. That is useless for shoes, I feel like. It does nothing for me for shoes. One, the kids and my wife can't really reach it. I'm the only one that can reach it. And two, like all of my shoes like don't slide in here like this. Like they don't have enough space. So that thing's pretty useless. I'm going to probably use it for umbrellas this year and maybe like ponchos and stuff like that. But Yeah, I put one here, and they fit a pair of shoes. I'm going to show you. I have sandals on, so this works out. Fits a pair of sandals down here. And my shoes, I'm already packed. I'm like the only one in the family that's already packed. We were 2 days out from leaving. A pair of shoes up there. So shoes go in the back, sandals go up front, and then so that way each person in the RV, and everybody takes their shoes off when they come in our RV, because otherwise you're just sweeping the floor constantly. And you're still sweeping the floor constantly. But so I have 3 of those set up, so that will handle 3 people's shoes and sandals. And then we all have obviously more shoes, but we'll store those underneath and grab them when we need them. But I think if everybody has a pair they can just slide on to get out real quick, and then a pair that if we're going on a little walk or something, they can throw on like shoes. And then we all have hiking shoes for our hikes and stuff like that. But so if I can get 3 of them off the floor, then we only have 2 pairs sitting on the ground. So that's about what I had space for that. Privacy, we actually added this last year, but I bought this stripping, and it comes with these little sliders here, and it actually came with a lot. I'm thinking about doing one for over the top of this so that my daughters have some privacy when they're up there. But we got this so that at least everybody could go to the back of the RV if they want to change. And I ran it right in front of my step so that it actually kind of sits in front of the step, and then anybody can pretty much get the privacy there. Plus my wife and I sleep back here, and we want our privacy. So yeah, I think this is key if your RV does not have privacy. This setup was pretty cheap. And then I think I bought the curtain at Walmart, but I bought that off Amazon. Again, I'll link anything I bought below. So if you guys do buy, it helps us, but it doesn't also cost you any extra, which is kind of nice. Oh yeah, this cabinet was just a huge cabinet, and so I just grabbed a shelf from Walmart the other day for it. That helps kind of separate food. And yes, I already got food coming in here. I'm ready. Everybody else isn't ready, but I'm ready. Shower wise, I did add like this to hold our stuff. Another Walmart purchase just back in like the storage stuff, Rubbermaid. We'll see how well it holds. And then we hang like hooks for our couches, our loofahs in the shower, because we're a loofah family. So I got one of the hooks up. I had more hang last year and they fell off. So yeah, I don't know. Those don't hold that well. But that's also like your only wall you can put anything on in here. Otherwise, you're having trouble turning around. I don't know. We shower in our shower and we enjoy it. I like having the shower on board for sure. I'll shower at a campground, but I prefer to just shower in here. Yeah. So that's kind of what we've got. We're leaving in 2 days. I'm going to be doing stories every day on my Instagram. Follow on Instagram. You can see our stories every day. Otherwise, I will try to post at least one long form every week and throw a couple reels in every week on YouTube until we get back, and then I'll start editing like crazy and get all of our other stuff out there. But I will try to do some long form, and long form, it'll probably be less than 10 minutes. Less than this video, maybe even. But I just wanted to say, hey, everybody, and I will keep you guys posted. Like I said, a few reels a week and at least a long form while we're on the road. And then they're not going to be great edits, okay? Because I'm driving a lot. My wife doesn't like to drive as much. But stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. And I hope you guys enjoy our journey. Oh, yeah, we're a family of 5. If you haven't seen our other stuff, we're a family of 5. I got 3 kids, me and my wife. And all age ranges. It's interesting. So hopefully you guys are entertained, and hopefully you get to see a lot of America with us. I'll see you guys in a couple days with our first reel from the trip. Hopefully you head over to Instagram to see the daily stories. All right. Peace out, guys. Later.